Hello guys, welcome to our channel The Colorful Aquarium.
Wow, what is that? Woohoo! The platinum angelfish is the color morph of the wild silver scolari angelfish, which has a large distribution in many river systems in South America. The platinum angelfish lives up to its name, with an overall bright white body that shimmers in certain lights. Wow, what is that? Woohoo! Polar blue parrot cichlids are a mix of blood parrot cichlids and convict cichlids. They have an appearance that complements the characteristics of both. The head of this cichlid is similar to a blood parrot. Instead, its body is similar to that of a cichlid convict. Wow, what is that? Woohoo! The rainbow shark is a species of Southeast Asian freshwater fish from the family Cyprinidae. It is also known as the ruby shark, redfin shark, and whitetail shark minnow. It is a popular, semi-aggressive aquarium fish. Wow, what is that? Woohoo! The rosy barb is a subtropical freshwater cyprinid fish found in southern Asia from Afghanistan to Bangladesh. Rosy barbs are very peaceful and do well in community tanks as long as you avoid long-finned fish to prevent fin nipping behavior. Wow, what is that? Woohoo! Black golden molly, the aquascape algae eater. The black golden molly fish is hunted by aquascapers because this fish eats the algae that are often found in aquascapes, be it black brush algae, green hair algae, and diatom algae. Wow, what is that? Woohoo! The striped Raphael catfish is a catfish of the family Doradidae. It may also be called southern striped Raphael, talking catfish, chocolate doradid, chocolate catfish, or thorny catfish. It is native to the Amazon, Paraguay-Paran, and lower Orinoco basins in South America. This is a beautiful view of the aquarium, decorated by colorful fish that are soothing to the eye. Come on, pet them! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.